Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes. Till now we have completed block 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3 we have completed, and also I have given you in the last video I have given you the project work and also the slip test question paper. Do that in your activity book only and complete your class work. Okay, till block 3 complete your class work and do all the class activities. Okay children, now let us start our next block, that is block 4, home and shelter. What is our block 4? Home and shelter. Yes, in this block we will the first topic is need for shelter. Okay, in this block what is the first topic? Need for shelter. In this video we will identify why we need shelter. Yes children, now I have a small question for you. What comes to your mind when you hear home? What is a home actually? Yes children, home is a place where which gives us shelter. Home is a place which gives us shelter, and also it protects us from various things. What are the various things? Like heat, cold, rain, and from also dangerous animals. This is called home. Yes children, now tell me one thing. What happens to the people if they lost their homes? Where they live? Yes, this in detail we'll study one story about this. Now open your reader page number 27. Okay children, open your reader page number 27. Yes children, this is your social science content book, that is reader. Open page number 27. Okay. Yes children, this is our fourth block. You can see here block 4, home and shelter. Yes, you can see here page number 26. So that is here page number 27. Let's read the Barney story. Okay. Keep the finger where I am reading. Okay children. Barney home. Barney lived in a small house with her mother, younger brother and sister. She used to study in a nearby school. Every morning Barney would walk to school with her friends. One morning, everything changed. Barney lost her home in the flood. Water from the river washed away her house. Now, Barney and her family had no shelter. It was raining, but they did not know where to go. Earlier, their house gave them shelter. In earlier time, the house gave the shelter. Because of the floods, the water from the river washed away the Barney's house. So what happens to the Barney house? Barney home got destroyed in the flood, right? Barney lost her home in the flood. Where will she and her family find shelter now? Yes, now it will be difficult for them. Yes, she and her family will face difficulties now till they find another place where they can take shelter. Yes, till they get the shelter, they will face some difficulties. Yes, children? Okay. Yes, children. Now we have read about the Barney story. Yes, how the Barney lost her house in the floods. Yes. Now what is the topic actually? Need for shelter. We will learn about why do we need a home now. Yes. Why do we need home? Because it gives us shelter from rain, animals, heat and cold. Yes, a home gives us shelter from heat, cold, rain and animals. It is a place where we can share space together with family, friends and have fun. Someone who has no house to live in won't get shelter from nature. They may not have a safe space to sleep or a place to cook, bath and eat. Yes children, now we learned about need for shelter. What it gives us shelter, why we need a home, because it gives us shelter from rain, animals, heat and cold. But we have read about Barney's story also. What happened to Barney? Barney home got destroyed because of flood. The nature has been taken her home. So she can't go anywhere. She have to find for a new shelter. The food, she can't eat anything because no home. All things, what is there at home, all things are lost. So what happens? how can we help them? In which way we can help them who have got lost their houses? Yes, in which way, like Bani? Yes, how we can help? So there are many ways, children. So one thing is we can collect money and get her a new house or rebuild that house. What the house had been gone in the flood, we can rebuild that house or get us new house like small shelter for her, reconstruct. Or we can guide for her a good shelter. We can say her to a take some rent house or like that. Yes, give them some shelter till the house is rebuilt. Okay, so students, I hope this topic is clear for you. Yes, what is this topic is? Its topic is the home is shelter for us. It gives us a shelter where we can live with our loved ones, like with our family, and it protects us from various things also. Yes, because Bani has lost her house, she can't live anywhere. She have to find a new shelter. So it will be so much difficulties for us, for Bani family to search for a new shelter and food. Yes, like it's been not safe also for them because dangerous animals can be there. They can harm them. Yes, so home is we need a shelter compulsory. Yes, everyone has their home. Everyone lives in their homes, right? Yes, I think so. This topic is clear for you all. Now, everyone open your reader. That is your content book, page number 28. Children, open page number 28. Yes, we'll read the home and shelter, our fourth block, first topic from the reader. Okay, need for shelter. A house gives us shelter from heat, rain and cold. It keeps us safe from wild animals and robbers. We change our clothes, take a bath, sleep, eat and play in our house. We are also able to stay with our loved ones in a house. Yes, children, you can see this is the house. It gives us shelter from heat, rain, cold and also keep us safe from animals and robbers. Yes, children, and we can also stay with our loved ones. Okay, now everyone open your workbook, page number 24. Okay, this is your volume 1 workbook. Social Science Volume 1 workbook. Open page number 24, children. Yes, children, take your pencil and eraser, keep with you. Okay, now write down today's date. What is today's date? 2/9/2020. Okay, we are doing S1, right? What is the S1? Need for shelter. Okay, now let's see the first bit. Take the picture that shows a proper shelter. Yes, you can see here they have given both the pictures. Which can give the proper shelter? Yes, you can see in the first picture, this is the mud house. It's a hut. And you can see here all are closed with the walls. But you can see in the second picture, it is not closed and it is an open place. So, you can which house give us shelter from heat, rain and cold and keep us safe from wild animals and robbers. Which house? It is a closed house or an open house? Closed house, right? So, which is the proper shelter? It's a hut. Yes, children. Now let's read the second question. Do we all need a shelter? Give 2 reasons for your answer. Yes, children, do all we need the shelter? Yes, without shelter we can live? No, right? If there is no shelter, you will get heat. You have to wet in the rain. Yes, you will get cold. But if you have a shelter, you will be safe from that. You are protected from that. Yes? Yes, write down the answer. The answer like this. Yes, we all need a shelter to live in and protect us from heat, cold and rain. Yes, these are the 2 reasons. One reason is we can live in and also they protect the shelter, protect us from heat, cold and rain. Okay, let's see the third question. Bani home gets destroyed in the flood. What will happen to Bani and her family? Yes, Bani house is destroyed, right? You have seen in the flood, we have seen in the reader, we have read about that. Yes, it is, the house is destroyed in the flood. Where will they go? What happens to the Baniyar family now? Yes, let's see the answer now. Bani and her family will face many problems. Now, they will not find shelter from the heat, cold and rain. Yes, they will need to find another place where they can take shelter. Yes, they will not find any place they can live to from protect them from heat, cold and rain. They have to find any other place to have a shelter. Yes, right, this is the answer. Okay children, I am clear to all of you. Yes, I hope this topic is clear. Yes, once again read the page number 28, this topic, need for shelter, and complete your workbook, page number 24 children. Yes, and complete your workbook, page number 24. First bit already we have completed. Write down the second one and third answer. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.